In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a photo and a paperclip at the bottom right corner. And to add your photos, hit Gallery section here, select images at the top or tap on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, hold one of your photos you wish to add. And then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finish, hit select at the top right corner to attach them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!